Tired of traditional bike frames? Or the hassle of mounting your bike? Stay tuned as we showcase the top step-through electric bikes designed to provide comfort, convenience, and a whole lot of fun. We've chosen a diverse range of products to accommodate various preferences. Stay with us to find the ideal option for you, and check out the links in the description for more information. Alright, let's kick things off with a budget-friendly gem, the Lectric Step-Through 3.0. This bike is all about making your rides comfortable and accessible. A smooth 500-watt rear hub motor effortlessly propels you forward, while a 48-volt 10.4 ampere-hour battery keeps you going for up to 45 miles on pedal assist. Charging it up? Well, that takes just around 5 hours, so you'll be back on the road in no time. And the best part? Its step-through frame design is a game changer, making hopping on and off a breeze. Hold on to your handlebars because the Himiway Escape Pro is here to take your riding experience to the next level. This moped-style e-bike is a true head-turner with its sleek design and powerful performance. A 750-watt motor hidden within the rear mag wheel unleashes speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, ensuring you'll always have the wind in your hair. The 48-volt, 17.5 amp-hour battery is your trusty sidekick, offering a range of around 30 miles on throttle-only mode, and even more when you're lending a helping pedal. And don't even get me started on those hydraulic disc brakes, they're your instant ticket to stopping on a dime. Adventure awaits with the Aventon Aventure 2. This e-bike isn't just about riding, it's about embracing the journey. The torque sensor seamlessly transforms your pedaling power into pure exhilaration, launching you forward with precision. Its 48-volt 15 ampere-hour battery and full-size fat tire build promise stability and endurance, whether you're tackling city streets or blazing new trails. With a range of 50 to 60 miles on pedal assist and 30 miles on throttle-only mode, you'll have no shortage of exploring to do. And let's not forget that top speed of 28 miles per hour in Class 3 e-bike mode. Just remember to share the road responsibly. Now, let's talk about the Magicycle Deer, a true trailblazer among e-bikes. This crossover SUV-inspired beauty isn't just about appearances. It's about conquering diverse terrains with ease. The 52-volt, 20 amp-hour battery isn't just a powerhouse. It's your passport to exploring up to 80 miles on a single charge. And those 26 by 4-inch fat tires, they're not just for show. They offer extra cushioning and traction that'll make any trail feel like a smooth path. But what truly sets the Deer apart is that dual suspension system. With integrated lights, a full color display, and a long rear rack that can handle up to 400 pounds, the Deer isn't just an e-bike, it's your ultimate adventure companion. Last but certainly not least, we have the Hovsco HovAlpha, a standout choice that seamlessly blends performance and value. With a unique torque sensor, the HovAlpha revolutionizes your riding involvement by intuitively responding to your pedaling, while its substantial 20 amp-hour battery ensures an extensive range. In comparison to renowned e-bike counterparts, its larger battery and torque sensor grant a more enjoyable ride. Boasting an ergonomic thumb throttle, hydraulic disc brakes, and a comfortable build with fat tires and front suspension, the HovAlpha guarantees an exceptional experience. With that said, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and exclusive deals. If you enjoyed this video and found the perfect step-through e-bike for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling content.